virtual assistant superstars. Welcome back to our channel, where we're here to help you unlock the secrets to all things VA to help you be successful on your journey. Today, we're tackling a hot topic: creating social media strategy and performing a social media audit. So buckle up and get ready to level up your online game. Grab a pen and paper so you can take notes, because this is the success of your social media marketing. So pause the video, grab a pen and paper. Let's get to it. All right, guys, if you stay to the end, I got a few little tips for you, letting you know where you can grab some social media clients from. Everybody want to know how to get clients. Well, I got a few little tips. Stay to the end. First things first. Before you hit that post button, make sure you know exactly where your audience is hanging out. Are they scrolling through Facebook, tapping their way through Instagram, or perhaps they're in the professional world of LinkedIn? Knowing which platforms your audience prefer will help you tailor your content for maximum impact. Now that you've identified your target platforms, it's time to understand what works best on each of them platforms. Explore the trending content, popular formats, and engage with similar accounts to get a feel for what resonates with your audience. Remember, adapting your content to each platform's unique style and the features will help you stand out and capture attention. You want to know what works well on each platform. As virtual assistants, sometimes I feel we forget that just because it works for us doesn't mean it's going to work for your ideal client. You got to truly know what they're interested in. Remember when we talked yesterday about identifying your client, really knowing those demographics, geographics, and to get fancy, the psychographics? Yeah, that really helps. So let's kick things off with the steps to create a killer social media strategy. Remember, a solid strategy is the foundation of your online success. So we always want to start with setting goals. So step one, set your goals. What do you want to achieve with your social media presence? Boost brand awareness, drive website traffic, increase sales? Be specific and make your goals SMART. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Yep, that's the acronym for SMART. Step two, know your audience. There we go again. Know your audience, guys. Who are you trying to reach? Create audience personas to understand their demographics, interests, and pain points. This will help you tailor your content to resonate with your target audience. Step three, choose your platforms. Based on your audience research, because remember, research is the foundation of your business. Based on your audience research, select the platforms where your target audience spends most of their time. Focus on the platforms that align with your goals and audience preferences. Step four, plan your content. Develop a content calendar to plan and schedule your posts. Mix it up with a variety of content types like images, videos, and articles. Keep it fresh, engaging, and relevant to your audience. Fun fact, guys, videos is taking over. So if you aren't doing a lot of videos, statistics have it, research have it, that people are responding more to videos. Hint, hint. Step five, engage and interact. Social media is all about building relationships. Respond to comments, ask questions, and join conversations. Show your audience that you're not just a brand, but a real person who cares about their needs. Now that you got your strategy in place, It's time to audit your social media accounts to ensure they're optimized for success. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1, review your profile and branding. Check your profiles for consistency in branding, bios, and descriptions. Make sure your visuals and messaging align with your brand identity and value proposition. Step 2, analyze your content strategy. Examine your posts to see what's working and what's not. Look for trends and engagement and adjust your content mix to better cater to your audience's preferences. Step 3, assess audience engagement. Track likes, comments, shares, and saves to measure your social media success. Use this data to optimize future posts and boost audience engagement. Step 4, analyze metrics and analytics. Dive into platform specific. Review reach, impressions, click-through rates, and more. Use this data to refine your strategy and allocate resources effectively. Step 5, evaluate your competitors' performance. Keep an eye on your competitors, guys, to identify opportunities for improvement and to make sure that you're setting yourself aside. Learn from their successes and also learn from their mistakes to stay ahead of the game. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating a winning social media strategy and conducting a thorough social media audit. Keep refining your approach and watch your online presence soar. Now, I said if you stay to the end, I had a few tips for you. So, a couple places that you can find social media clients is my favorite that I'm always talking about, networking. Guys, networking is key. You can network on sites like Eventbrite and filter out your area. I recommend in-person networking events, but you can also get online networking events off of Eventbrite and meetup.com, or simply get on Facebook and Instagram and research networking events. Use the events tab to see if you can find some networking events. Networking events is a great way to find clients because majority of the time, when you get on a platform, if you're going to be online or even in person, when you go to a networking event, majority of the time, you're the only virtual assistant at that event at that time because a lot of VAs are not using this resource, and this is a very effective resource. I have landed most of my clients from networking, and this is also a good way to give value and build relationships. Another great way to find clients is the also famous Facebook groups, especially for social media. There are always people on social media asking questions about Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. They're always asking for help with their social media. So if you get in there and start answering those questions, they'll know you're the expert. But they're also always looking for someone to actually help them with their social media. Boss Moms is a great Facebook group for that. There are always moms in the Boss Moms group looking for someone that could help them with their social media. Business owners know how important social media is, so there's always people in Facebook groups looking for someone to help them. Now, say you see a post in a Facebook group and a whole bunch of people have commented. That can be overwhelming. What you can do is, instead of commenting, hey, I'm a social media, here's my prices, click on their name, go to their profile. You're going to have to do a little digging. You may not find it on their profile. You may find it on their website, but find their email address. See if you can do some research to find their email address. And instead of commenting on that post, send them an email and be like, hey, my name is Tori, and I seen your post in the Boss Moms group looking for a social media manager, and I can help you with that. And then just go into your pitch. That helps you stand out. What will help you stand out even more is if you send a video pitch. Another place to find social media clients is your network, your friends and family. Let your friends and family know that you are a social media manager. And if they need help with their social media or know someone that needs help, to send them your way. You never know who knows who. And anytime that you have the opportunity to talk to a business owner, listen, every business owner know another business owner. And guys, you can also use, this is the ultimate secret. And I'm going to tell you. Yep, I'm going to go ahead and tell you. Start using hashtags, looking for new businesses that have opened. So you can do hashtag launch, hashtag new business, hashtag opening, something like that on Facebook and Instagram. This will bring up businesses that are launching or opening that have used those hashtags, and you can reach out to them with them being new businesses and shoot your shot. What would you do without me? All right, guys, if you found this video helpful, be sure to smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest social media tip or VA trick that we got for you. Our goal is to make sure that you are successful on your journey. So until next time, happy strategizing.